In this video we're going to look at the equations of perpendicular lines. So two lines are perpendicular if they are at right angles to one another, and in terms of their gradient they have a product of -1. So if we have the gradient of one line, the gradient of the perpendicular line will be the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the first line. Now this first question, we're given the equation of a line in the form y equals mx plus c, and we're told to find the equation of a line perpendicular to that which passes through a specific point. So I'm just going to find the gradient of the perpendicular line, and that's the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the original line. So the original line has a gradient of 2, so its perpendicular line has a gradient that must be negative, and it's just going to be 1 over 2. So now I can use the formula y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 3 equals -1/2 x minus 1, and rather than expand this bracket I'm going to multiply through by 2, so 2y minus 6 equals -x minus 1, 2y minus 6 equals -x plus 1, and then I'm going to move both these terms across so it's in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So it's going to give me x plus 2y minus 7 is 0. And this line is going to be perpendicular to the original line, and it passes through the point 1, 3. In this second example, we've got a lot more work to do, because we want to find the equation of a line that passes through 2, 5, so we know one point on this line, and it's perpendicular to the line that passes through 1, 5 and 3, 8. So I need to find the gradient of that line, so I'm going to use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So m is 8 subtract 5 over 3 subtract 1 is 3 over 2. So now I can use that to find the gradient of the perpendicular line, and that's the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the original line. So 3 over 2 will become -2 over 3. And now I can use my formula again, so y minus y1 is m x minus x1. So y subtract 5 equals -2 over 3 x minus 2. I'm going to multiply through by the denominator of this fraction, so I'm going to multiply through by 3. So 3y minus 15 was -2 x minus 2. I'm going to expand the bracket, and then I'm going to move both of these two terms across to have it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 19 equals 0.